Selam. Welcome to a very quick session with me. In this lesson, I won't be teaching anything new. We will just have a look at what we have been learning with lesson 1, 2, and 3. I will also guide you to further practice possibilities on the course book, okay? So what have we learned so far? We learned how to introduce yourself, how to ask, what's your name? How are you? And where are you from? And of course, have to respond to such questions. In the course book, you can find a dialogue that includes all these questions. We have been looking at dialogues that were just focusing on single question we have learned, right? But in the last dialogue now I will guide you to, you can actually integrate all these questions and use it when you meet someone for the first time. So let me show you that. Just a moment. Okay, I think there we go. So this is the dialogue between öğretmen and Martin. Öğretmen means teacher, by the way. So just read the dialogue here. And to further practice, order this dialogue. Okay, so what is the first? Here, this is given as an example. So what comes next? And so on, so on. You might see some phrases that are new and just variations of asking how are you or how to respond to some questions. So nothing really different. I suggest you to check then Google Translate or there is a dictionary called Sesli Sözlük, which I will write it in the description below. So maybe you have other dictionaries, which you can share it in the comments down below with all of us. As next, have a look at the other dialogue here underneath. You see some missing phrases. You need to write the missing phrases. So this is a little bit of writing practice and also to check on you what you can remember. Okay. Of course, if you like, you can match these, but we haven't studied some greeting phrases. So we will come to this later on. As next, third practice possibility. Have a look at page 11 here. You see some statements about the pictures. Okay, on the right here. So 6 pictures, 6 statements. You need to match these. They're just about the name of the person and their nationalities, which you are already familiar with. Okay. As next, you can have a look at this listening practice, which is really important. You need to, when you look at this practice, okay, you see, you need to fill in the name of the person and the nationality. It's very easy. Yeah. So where can you find these audios? They are free to download in some websites I have already come across, so you can check them on Google. So that's it. There are only 4 practice possibilities. Please have a look at these and let me know if you have any difficulties or any questions in the comments down below. So thank you so much for your time. I will see you in the next session with the forms of greetings. Görüşürüz.